Let's see problem number 2 in development of surface of solid chapter. A square prism, side of base 40 mm and height 60 mm is having its edges equally inclined to vertical plane and axis perpendicular to horizontal plane. Draw its development of surface. So यहाँ पे एक स्क्वायर प्रिज्म दिया गया है जिसका बेस 40 by 40 का है और हाइट 60 mm है एंड इट इज़ पोजिशन इन सच मैनर दैट ऐसे रखा हुआ है जिससे उसके जो एजेस हैं, एजेस माने द लाइन्स विच आर लाइन सेगमेंट्स विच आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द बेस, they are equally inclined to vertical plane and axis of that prism is perpendicular to horizontal plane. Let's draft this particular condition and have more depth in the problem understanding. Thank you. Let's start drafting the problem, and here the problem statement is there is a square prism available which is having dimension about 40 units, edge length and height 60 mm. So let's start drafting that problem. We'll first draft a reference line, we'll be noting xy as a reference over here. Then we'll be drafting a line being somewhat away from the end region से थोड़ा आगे जाके I'll be placing a point over here and I'll be drafting a minor line over here, vertical line. Then I'll take an angle protector. As from data, the information available is that the component or square prism is having equally inclined edges from the vertical plane. So what are we going to do? We are going to place a 45 degrees notation over here from the reference and 45 from here, and we are aware about the edge length of component also. It is 40 units, so I'll be placing a 40 mm notation over here following that position mark as well. 40 mm from here referring that position mark. We had got positions. Now we can take compass. On compass we can have same dimension and we can place an arc over here. In similar manner we can have an arc over here. So this particular profile condition what we have got over here is going to be a representation of a square prism having its edge is equally inclined. देखिए यहाँ से it is going to be having same inclination 45 degrees which is available over here also, and this one is also 45, this one is also 45. So all edges are equally inclined from the vertical plane. This is the criteria what we will follow. Let me place dimensions also. So we are aware that it is a square, so we are going to place dimension over here only 40 units, and now I am going to have its front view which is having height of about 60 units. So I'll be dragging the ruler scale backwards and taking 60 unit of height over here. In similar manner I'll be moving ahead positioning another vertices, and I'll be moving ahead and dropping another vertices over here. Then I am connecting them. We are aware that we do have to place notations also, so I'm going to place those notations like this. I do consider A dash over here, B dash over here, C dash over here, D dash over here. How we had taken those positions? I had referred this position as A, this one as B, this one as C, and this one as D. So when we trace those positions in front view, we are going to have with dash notations over there. In similar manner, when I refer position over here, I am going to have 1 dash over here, 2 dash over here, 3 dash over here, and 4 dash over here. So this is the representation of a particular profile. Now what are we going to do? We are going to move ahead for some distance. यहाँ से थोड़ा आगे चले जाएंगे, and I'll be projecting same draft from here. यहाँ से वही dimension जो हमारे व्यू में present हुआ है, I'll be placing that dimension over here, and after that we have to take enough edge length to represent a particular profile. I'll be taking enough length over here for representation of development or developed surface. I'll be taking, you can see over here, edge length from here. The first profile what we see, or first vertex is what we see, is representing 1 dash, A dash. So A dash से हमें B dash को रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा, C dash को रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा, D dash को रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा, and again I have to place A dash. So now we are going to have one face, second face, third face, and fourth face available. 4 faces available to us. Let's draft those faces. Faces draft कर लेते हैं. I'll be following that profile. And we are drafting all faces parallel, all vertices parallel to the previous one from the positions what we had traced out earlier. So this position is going to be called B dash, 2 dash, this one is going to be called C dash, 3 dash, this one is D dash, 4 dash, and again A dash, 1 dash. How it happens? We generally cut the profile from a particular region. So if I do consider that square prism like this, then if this particular vertices is 1A, this one is 2B, this one is 3C, and behind that is 4D, and if I cut that profile from here and open that segment, then it is going to look like this. It is going to look in same manner. So this one is going to be 1 dash A dash, this one is going to be 2 dash B dash, here you are going to have C dash 3 dash, here you are going to have D dash 4 dash, and again from where we had cut it, that edge will come again in our observation. So it is 1 dash A dash. Now try on your own to draft this profile. Condition is the edges are equally inclined to vertical plane, and we need to draft the development. I hope you had understood it well and plan your practice in such a way only. Thank you very much.